The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy A21 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A21 is a new budget phone for Boost Mobile. It's available now for $199.99 currently on sale. The full retail price for the Galaxy A21 at Boost Mobile is $249.99. So yeah. So that's the front end. From you do have the whole punch for the front facing camera. And you have your volume keys and power button on the right side of the phone. So you have there your whole points for the front facing camera. Volume keys, power button out on the right. Right side of the phone, it said power and volume keys. The camera just stick out there on the back, so you keep that in mind. Let's go over it again. And then on the left side you will have your SIM card and micro SD card slot on the left. And then on the back of the Galaxy A21 you will have 4 cameras on the back. Camera flash thing from Samsung logo. So you have a quad camera setup, of course. You have a macro lens, a depth sensing lens, a ultra wide lens, and a main camera lens. So pretty nice right there. So it says here the Samsung Galaxy A21 is built for those looking for a central upgrade to their smartphone experience with a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity O display and a quad camera with a 16-megapixel main camera and ultra-wide depth and macro lenses for more creative photography. It's powered by a 4,000 mAh battery that lets users charge up in a flash for 15-watt fast charging support. Take things up a notch with the Samsung Galaxy A21. Alright. So quick specs has 6.5-inch HD Plus display, 16-megapixel main camera, 28 hours of talk time, 32 GB of internal storage, and Android 10 with One UI 2.0. So how it works is order the day, wait for the 22-hour pick a point and activate online. So pretty simple and easy and straightforward. Keeps you going. A massive 4,000 mAh battery and fast charging capability keeps you on the go all day. All in for photographers. The multi-role quad camera has a lens for every situation. The 16-megapixel main lens for clear and bright captures, 120-degree ultra-wide lens for wide-angle shots, 2-megapixel depth camera for wide focus, and a 2-megapixel macro camera for close-up shots. No notch, less bezel, more screen. You do have a hole punch, of course, so the expansive 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity screen and fingerprint sensor creates an all-integrated design with no notch, less bezel, and more incredible screen to enjoy. Storage and expandable memory with 32 GB of built-in storage and up to 512 GB of expandable micro SD card storage. Shoot all the photos and videos you need without running out of room. Android 10. Get help when you need it with live caption, smart reply, adjust the navigation, and customize your phone and get things done just the way you want it. One UI exceeds your limits. With the One UI, find and interact with the content you want conveniently with one-handed use. Night mode also makes for comfortable usage at bedtime and in other low-light situations. Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling in Mexico. Plan item is required for that. Voice roaming capable. Keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. Mobile hotspot, of course. Don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access. access bars per point. So do keep that in mind. So specialist phone, like I said, they're pretty decent. Like I said, this is like a budget mid-range phone. So you have 4,000 mAh battery, 28 hours of talk time, 3 GB of RAM, 30 GB of storage, with micro SD up to 512 GB. You will have a MediaTek P35 processor. I think it's an octa-core processor. Android 10, 16 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth focus lens. And you have a 6.5 inch HD plus Type 2 display that's a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. Your dimensions are 6.22 inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. And the frame weight is 6.77 ounces. Your connectivity options for the A21 is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, NFC 3.5, headphone jack. Other features: fast charging and fingerprint sensor. So pretty nice. And what's included in the box is your Galaxy A21 smartphone, travel adapter, ejection pin, quick start guide, data cable, and that's pretty much it. If you guys need help with your A21, Boost Mobile has you covered with that. It says want to know everything there is to know about this one. Run everything from setting up your email to managing all your gambling applications. But there you go. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A21 now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $199.99, currently on sale. Full retail price $249.99. It's on the same price as the Metro version. The same price as the Verizon version. Verizon sells this one for $249 for retail price. So yeah, you know. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get a decent budget mid-range Samsung phone, the A21, that's worth looking at. It does look very nice. The main feature of the phone is its cameras. You do have 4 cameras in the back, and you have a 13 megapixel front facing camera, so not too bad there. So yeah, there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A21, now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching another video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.